like Mother Nature's had enough of the secrecy here on this sign. It's starting to get peeled back with all the recent rains and winds we've been having. And since this should be open any month now, let's start peeling things back and let people see what's going on here. Walk our way coming up here towards 94th Street, and we're over here looking at the different bus bays. It's a pretty large scale. I mean, they have some bus bays over at the Torrance Transit Center, but this is much more grand scale. Imagine a lot of buses will be coming through here. Hearing lots of machinery over here. So still a lot of things being built, constructed, and we got a spring 2025 opening, so we'll see how deep in the spring that takes for this finally to become a reality. But at least it'll be open sooner than the 8 p.m. people mover. You can see there's still a lot of finishing touches going on here for the Metro Transit Center, but it is cool to see some signage. And you work your way up to the top here. It shows you all the different options called transit services. There's a pretty cool signage sign coming up here to Aviation, up to the Transportation Center, as well as the Conrack. Some of the landscaping with this walkway here off Aviation. Hopefully these trees are fast growing. Looks like they've got some new leaf growth, so once they get up another 10 or 15 feet and start sprouting out some leaves, hopefully they'll start getting some shade here, especially if you want to walk through here in the summertime. It can get a little bit warm out here in LAX. I was hoping to see these guys move, but at least I caught 2 cars earlier. Yeah, it still looks like they're months away. I mean, at least a month, I would say. I'll predict like just before summer this opens up, but hopefully I'm dead wrong and it's much sooner. I'll take a quick tour over here off of Arbor Vitae. Okay, I didn't know from a previous angle, but you can see they've got like a solar farm over here. I don't know if that's the permanent residence or they're putting that somewhere else, but quite an array of solar panels. It looks like it's being worked on by this outfit, Cal Solar. Cool. I'll try to find some information on just how much of this project is powered by solar power, kind of like the Intuit Dome further up the road.
The transit center will have a LEED Gold rating. All those solar panels will produce 550 plus kilowatts.
1.21 gigawatts! 1.21 gigawatts!
And there will be electric bus charging stations.
take another look here at a different angle of the solar panels, all the grids, just see how many there are. It looks like they are in the early stages here of installing permanent fencing. It's kind of at an angle, so it's kind of hard to see unless you're angled properly. But it gets lower as you walk towards LAX. You can see all the different bays for the buses. Wow, a lot of rocks here, maybe for landscaping. Or maybe they excavated that. But yeah, just trying to get some of the landscaping going here. Got some lights, night lights. And they're just doing some finishing touches here and there. But this is looking almost ready to go. And we've got a K-train coming. Love that sound. Not so much that, but I love the sound of rails. Oh, I just noticed this. Instead of a rectangular fashion fencing, they've got kind of a cool style to it where it's got some nice little curves to it. That's kind of cool. Breaks up the monotony of just a, 4 squared perimeter walling. That's pretty cool. Imagine there'll be some kind of drought tolerant landscaping like over here. Be more of that continuing here. Should look pretty sharp. You can see here on the corner of Aviation Blvd, they've got some mulch piles that'll be looking pretty nice surrounding these trees. Yeah, it's always nice to have a little landscaping to complement all this hardscaping. Soften it up a little bit. But yeah, that's a lot of solar panels. That's pretty cool. I guess that's the permanent home. That's awesome. Pro tip for you, don't get gas near the airport.